Hey guys, today we talk about whiskey. So, whiskey is a distilled alcoholic beverage made by fermenting grain mass and aged in wooden oak barrel. So, there are seven types of whiskey. First is Scotch whiskey, single malt whiskey, blended Scotch, Irish whiskey, American whiskey, Canadian whiskey, and Japanese whiskey. So, Scotch whiskey made in Scotland, aged for minimum 3 years. Single malt whiskey made from 100% malt and in single distillery. Irish whiskey, usually triple distill and aged for 3 years and should be made in Ireland. Blended whiskey, blended Scotch whiskey. So blended Scotch whiskey is a mix of malt whiskey and grain whiskey. And American whiskey like bourbon and Tannins need to have 51% corn. Use new oak barrel, and Tannins whiskey should go one more process called charcoal filtration process. Canadian whiskey, often called as rye, made in Canada and aged for minimum 3 years. Whereas Japanese whiskey made in Japan, and so inspired from Scotch whiskey, typically single malt. It is light and floral, elegant. Process of making whiskey. There are major 6 steps to follow. First one is malting. Second one is mashing. Third is fermentation. Fourth is distillation. Fifth is aging, and sixth is bottling. So first is malting. Barley is soaked, germinated, dried, sometimes with peated smoke. Second is mashing. Cross grains are mixed with hot water to extract sugar. Third is fermentation. Yeast is added to convert sugar into alcohol. And fourth is distillation, usually twice for Scotland and Scotch whiskey and thrice for Irish whiskey in copper pot still. This aging spirit is aged in oak barrel, often for years. And last is bottling. Bottling after aging, they used to filter and dilute to 40 to 50% ABV and bottled. Cheers, guys.